Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogs, shopping, all that. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit the subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today is a Dollar Tree haul, and let me tell you, this was 2 stores and I scored like I've never scored before. I could not believe it. Also, I did just shower and I used Dollar Tree shampoo and my hair is so soft. Besides the point, we have a fantastic haul today. I'm so stoked. So let's just get into it. So the first thing I got are these Pop Daddy pretzels, and these are Dutch apple pie. And let me tell you, these pretzels, like not this flavor, but all the other flavors are so fire. So I cannot wait to try this. So I got that. Then where do I even start? Then we got these hair ties. I never remember seeing these colors, so we got those. Then I did get a couple repeat things. Oh, everything's gone. I did get another set of these for a gift basket. And then, yeah. Then I got the liquid blush again in Cinnamon Cream Nude Peach by the Daydreaming Collection. Love her. This is my favorite one. This is the Honey Ginger Terracotta Hot Alert Lip Plumping Serum. I love this one. Then got another matte primer for my travel bag. This one too I love. This is the Candy Apple Red Lip Plumping Serum. Perfect for like Christmas and stuff. Then the last thing, oh no, I have 2 more things from my collection. This powder I'm obsessed with, so got that for a gift. And then the pink coconut lip oil. Is it lip oil? Yeah, lip oil. So got her. Then from the Disney collection, I got the Astro Cats gel iPads because I just think these are so cute. So got those. Then for nails, I found this Creative Play nail lacquer gel polish. Thought it was pretty interesting, so we got that. Then found this little gem, the Sour Patch flavored lip balm and lipstick. So we have red berry and what flavor is this? Lime? Yeah, lime. So red berry and lime. So that's pretty fun. Then I did get this nail dryer. So fast drying island coconut scent spray. So I hope this works, and I do need to redo my nails, so I'm definitely going to be trying that. So I'm excited for that. Then, okay. We have the Global Beauty Care Hydrating Serum, Ceramides Coconut Waters. So I did get another one of these from my travel bag. I love this whole collection, so I'm stoked. Something new. Then I got this for a gift because I love this stuff. It's the Prevention Clinical Results Clean Beauty Instant Hydration Rose Water and Collagen Toner. Targets extreme dryness, wrinkles, discoloration, dullness, and large pores. So I got this for a gift because I love it, so I feel like someone else will. So got that. Then by Natural Sense, we got the Heat Protectant Hair Mist for all hair types. Pro Vitamin B5 Grapeseed Extract, unique heat protection technology. So we got this. And then by Natural Sense, we got the Rice Water Hair Shining Mist. Shiny, smooth hair nourishes and hydrates for all hair types. So that's fun. Then I did find this toothpaste. The Modern White Refresh Toothpaste, gentle yet effective teeth cleaning toothpaste with a kick of freshness and bold flavors for an extra confidence boost. So it provides long lasting breath and remove surface stains and mint. So I am excited to try this because I did need new toothpaste anyway, so why not? Then I found this. It is the SpongeBob SquarePants silicone scrubber. I just thought it was so funny, and why not? So, just why not? So got that. Super random. Then I got these, and I'm so excited I found these. The new Guru Nanda 3 brushes ready to go. Butter on gums. Pre-pasted disposable toothbrushes. So you get 3 in here, and you get a toothpick. So on the go, perfect for in the purse, travel bag, whatever. So we got that. Then another restock. I love this freaking thing. It is the micro-filling brow tattoo in comb brown. So got that. Then for hair, if I can pick it up. Look at this. By Scrunchie, we have the No Damage Super Comfy Elastics. And I love these colors because I have brunette hair, so these fit my hair type. Color so good. So we got these, and you get 6 in here. And obviously name brand, so fantastic. And then I got the Wicked Hand Cream in Watermelon. I got the other 2 last time, but I was like, why didn't I get this? So I got it now, so super cute. And then new stuff. So by Sassy and Chic, we have the silicone makeup blender. Now, honestly, I don't really know how this is gonna go, but we got that one. We got the purple, and then the pink. So they have purple and pink. So why not? We'll see. I'll do a video on it because I'm interested. And then we got this little brush makeup puff with case. Okay, so it's a pretty nice size. So, and then here's our little puff. So perfect for traveling too. So got that. Then got the LA Colors liquid makeup complete coverage. I got True Beige. I was like, why not try it? So we got True Beige. Then by Lee Mercier, we have the Shape Defined brow pencil in a deep brown. I was torn because the other color looked too dark and this one looked right, so we're gonna just have to test it. But we got this to try that. Then Prolux is making a comeback again. So we got the matte setting powder, includes the powder puff. So this is new and improved. So let's see if it's talc free this time. Doesn't say talc free, but cruelty free vegan. So, but we got the shade Bisque. So we got Bisque. And then I got Porcelain because it's very hard to shade match these. So just got these 2 shades, and the other shades looked all similar. So I was like, let's just get these 2. So I did. Then we have all new lips, and I'm so excited. So by Beauty Intuitions, we have the 2-in-1 Kissy Lips Lip Mask and Lip Scrub Duo. So this one is with aloe vera. Can we just take a moment? So we have this one in aloe vera. Then we have the collagen, and these are all lip mask and lip scrub duo. So it's a 2-in-1. I think they're not all lip plumping. Okay, this one with collagen is lip plumping. So we have this one. Yeah, not all of them are lip plumping. And then this one is with vitamin E. Then the last one is with kojic acid brightening formula. So they're all something a little different, but different aloe vera, vitamin C, all that. Okay, we're not done. We have more. So by Beauty and again, this is all by Beauty Impressions. We have the roll-on lip oil brightening formula with vitamin C. So we have that. I'm gonna do a whole video just on these. And then again, these are all roll-on lip oils. This is with aloe vera. I love the packaging. And then this one is vitamin E. And the last one, lip plumping with collagen. So collagen's lip plumping. Then the last ones are Hydrate, Nourish and Shine Lip Plumping Juicy Glaze Gloss. Lip plumping formula with collagen. This one's collagen. I love the packaging. Then we have brightening formula with vitamin C. Soothing with aloe vera. And the last one is nourishing with vitamin E. So Beauty Intuitions came out with everything. So I'm stoked right now. Okay, the last bag to finish us all. Score. So I just got one of each of the new scents, mocha and vanilla. My favorite's the mocha. But just got one of each of those. Then got these cat toys. My cat can see me. We got these new cat toys, and normally I would not pay $1.50, but these are just so cute. So we have a little coffee bag, a tea bag, and that's what sold me. Donut and a fish. So I had to get these for my cat because they're just so cute. Now I have something that's wrapped, and I don't know what it is. Oh. Got these Pittsburgh Steelers coasters for $1.25. Super cute. Then we got the mini fridge pen holders. These are $1.50, but I was like, you know what? They're so cute. I can put pens, I can put makeup brushes, silverware, whatever. So it comes in purple, blue, or turquoise, light blue, purple, whatever you want to refer to, and then pink. So there's the 4 colors. And I did get some as gifts off, so I'm not going to use all of them. Maybe I will. Who knows? Anyway, then we have new colors at the microfiber facial pads. So we have new colors, which I love these colors. So got these. Then the last thing is these new claw clips. And look at the kitty cat. Like, you've got to be kidding. So they had 3 other ones too, but I'm pretty sure 2 were dogs. And I was like, no. So got that. I found another set of the hedgehog dryer balls. These are amazing. So I had to pick another one up while they are still $1.25. So yeah. So that completes this Dollar Tree haul. I think I found amazing finds. And I'm going away this weekend, so hopefully I find more finds at Dollar Trees that I normally don't go to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are in the hunt for, what I should be in the hunt for, your favorite item, and do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.